Sing and learn through songs.
Play and sing, learn everything with ease.
See and hear, remember forever with ease.
Let the flowers of knowledge bloom in our hearts.
Let us move ahead and become the best. Sing and learn through songs. Food is digested, glucose is formed. Through the bloodstream it travels along. Insulin and glucagon, how do they control glucose? Pancreas and adrenal glands, what do they teach us today? The secret's hidden in hormones. Let us learn them through the song. When glucose rises, insulin brings it down. When glucose falls, glucagon raises it up. When danger comes, the adrenal gland responds, filling the whole body with alertness. Listen to the first question. Where is the pancreas located? What is its main function? Behind the stomach it is found, connected closely to the duodenum. In the islets of Langerhans, with alpha and beta cells, it produces vital hormones and controls the glucose level. It guards the glucose in our blood, a faithful friend within our body. Catch the second question. Which hormone is produced by the beta cells? Can you remember and tell us what its main function is? Beta cells produce insulin, helping glucose enter the cells. In the liver and the muscles it is stored as glycogen. When blood glucose rises high, insulin begins to work. It lowers the extra glucose and maintains the body's balance. Answer the third question. What do the alpha cells produce? What is their main function? Alpha cells produce glucagon, raising glucose when it falls. The glycogen stored in the liver is converted into glucose. It also helps the body produce glucose from amino acids. When blood glucose falls too low, it brings it back to normal. Listen to the fourth question. How does the glucose level remain stable in the blood? When glucose rises, insulin comes and glucose enters the cells. The excess becomes glycogen stored in the liver and muscles. When glucose falls, glucagon comes. The liver releases glucose. Insulin and glucagon work together to keep the balance. When glucose rises, insulin brings it down. When glucose falls, glucagon raises it up. When both hormones work together, blood glucose stays in balance. Answer the fifth question. What is diabetes mellitus? Why does it occur when enough insulin is not produced? Glucose builds up in the blood even when insulin is present. Cells may fail to use it properly. In type 1, the beta cells are destroyed and insulin production is lost. In type 2, insulin action becomes weaker in the body cells. Thirst and hunger may increase, frequent urination may occur, body weight may fall and tiredness may come. These symptoms can be recognized with care. Catch the sixth question. Where are the adrenal glands located? What are their two main parts? Above each and every kidney, an adrenal gland is found. The outer part is the cortex, the inner part is the medulla. Both parts produce hormones, controlling many body functions. Through their different hormones, they help maintain the body's balance. Listen to the seventh question. During a dangerous situation, which two hormones does the medulla release? How do these hormones prepare the body for an emergency? Epinephrine and norepinephrine are released from the medulla, along with the sympathetic nervous system. pressure rise. Blood glucose also increases. More blood flows to the heart and to the working muscles. Blood flow to the skin and digestive organs decreases. To fight the danger or run away, the body quickly becomes prepared. Catch the final question. What are corticosteroids? Which are the major hormones? Hormones released by the adrenal cortex are generally called corticosteroids. Cortisol maintains blood glucose and controls inflammation and allergy. Aldosterone maintains salt balance and also regulates blood pressure. Androgens control sexual development and the development of sexual characteristics. When glucose rises, insulin brings it down. When glucose falls, glucagon raises it up. When danger comes, the adrenal gland responds, filling the whole body with strength. The pancreas and adrenal glands are the guardians of the body. Through the messages of hormones, they maintain homeostasis. The glucose level and emergency response are carefully controlled by the body. All the knowledge learned through this song will remain in our minds forever.
Through today's educational song, we easily learned about the pancreas, insulin, glucagon, blood glucose regulation, diabetes mellitus, the adrenal glands, epinephrine, norepinephrine, and corticosteroids. Now, let us recall once again, in the same order, the 8 questions and answers we learned through the song. First question. Where is the pancreas located? What is its main function? Answer. The pancreas is located behind the stomach and is closely connected to the duodenum. The islets of Langerhans in the pancreas contain alpha cells and beta cells. These cells produce hormones that regulate the glucose level in the blood. Second question. Which hormone is produced by the beta cells? What are its main functions? Answer. The hormone produced by the beta cells is insulin. Insulin helps glucose in the blood enter the body's cells. Insulin also helps store excess glucose as glycogen in the liver and muscles. Through these actions, insulin reduces an elevated blood glucose level. Third question. Which hormone is produced by the alpha cells? What is its main function? Answer. The hormone produced by the alpha cells is glucagon. Glucagon becomes active when the blood glucose level falls. It converts the glycogen stored in the liver into glucose and helps release that glucose into the bloodstream. Glucagon also helps produce glucose from amino acids. Through these actions, the blood glucose level returns to its normal range. Fourth question. How do insulin and glucagon work together to keep the blood glucose level stable? Answer. When the blood glucose level rises, insulin production increases. Glucose enters the body's cells, and the excess glucose is stored as glycogen in the liver and muscles. When the blood glucose level falls, glucagon production increases. Glucagon converts the glycogen stored in the liver into glucose and releases it into the bloodstream. In this way, insulin and glucagon act in opposite directions to maintain the balance of glucose in the blood. Fifth question. What is diabetes mellitus? Why does it occur? Answer. When the body does not produce enough insulin, or when the body's cells are unable to use insulin effectively, the blood glucose level rises. This condition is called diabetes mellitus. In type 1 diabetes, the beta cells of the pancreas are destroyed. As a result, insulin production becomes very low or stops completely. In type 2 diabetes, insulin may be present, but the body's cells do not respond to it adequately. Excessive thirst, excessive hunger, frequent urination, weight loss, and tiredness are some of the major symptoms. Sixth question. Where are the adrenal glands located? What are their two main parts? Answer. One adrenal gland is located above each kidney. The outer part of the adrenal gland is called the adrenal cortex. The inner part is called the adrenal medulla. These two regions produce different hormones and regulate various body functions and the body's internal balance. 7th question. Which hormones are produced by the adrenal medulla during a dangerous situation? How do they prepare the body for an emergency? Answer. The hormones produced by the adrenal medulla are epinephrine and norepinephrine. They work together with the sympathetic nervous system to prepare the body to face an emergency. As a result of their action, heart rate and blood pressure increase. The blood glucose level also rises. Blood flow to the heart and skeletal muscles increases, while blood flow to the skin and digestive organs decreases. This prepares the body either to face the danger or to move quickly away from it. 8th question. Which are the major hormones produced by the adrenal cortex? What are their functions? Answer. The adrenal cortex produces steroid hormones such as cortisol, aldosterone, and adrenal androgens. Cortisol helps maintain the blood glucose level and controls reactions such as inflammation and allergies. Aldosterone helps maintain the body's salt and water balance and also helps regulate blood pressure. Adrenal androgens play a role in sexual development and the development of sexual characteristics. Cortisol and aldosterone are included among the corticosteroids. So, children, when the blood glucose level rises, insulin lowers it. When the glucose level falls, glucagon raises it. During a dangerous situation, the adrenal medulla makes the body alert. The adrenal cortex regulates the body's long-term internal balance and many other functions. The pancreas and adrenal glands together play a very important role in maintaining homeostasis in the body. Children, to receive educational songs like this in all subjects and in the language of your choice, you can become a member of the Paadi Padikkam group. To join the group, first scan the QR code that is now displayed on the screen. When you scan the QR code, you will receive the link to join the Paadi Padikkam group. Scan this QR code right now. You can watch the free sample lessons. After that, you can also join the Paadi Padikkam group. There is another option for those who are unable to scan the QR code. Those who are interested in becoming members may send a WhatsApp message to 813-807-3227. In the message, type your name, the language you prefer, and PMS. The membership link will be sent back to you. With this, today's Paadi Padikkam. Let us learn through songs. Learning journey comes to an end. We will meet again in the next educational song. Thank you. Namaste. I am your own Ivan. From Paadi Padikkam.
Sing and learn through songs.
Play and sing, learn everything with ease.
See and hear, remember forever with ease.
Let the flowers of knowledge bloom in our hearts.
Let us move ahead and become the best. Sing and learn through songs.